Today I'll be teaching you guys how we guys can turn off shuffle play on Spotify. So it's pretty simple. So you want to go inside a playlist because shuffle play is only available inside a playlist, or if you're listening to song inside of a playlist. So let's say I'm listening to this song inside of this playlist. So to turn off shuffle play, you can see the two arrow pointing at the right side of my screen at the top. It is green. So if it is green, then that means shuffle play is on. So if I click on it once, it's going to be no longer green. And once it's no longer green, then basically your shuffle play will be turned off. And to turn it on, it's pretty simple. You just need to click on it and it'll be green. So green means your shuffle play is on, and not green means your shuffle play is off. And for people who do not know what shuffle play is, shuffle play basically plays music in random. So let's say you have like 10 songs. It's not going to play song 2 after song 1 ends. It's going to play song 9, then song 8, then song 6, something like that. It's going to play random music. That is basically what shuffle play is. That is how you guys can turn it on and off. So I hope you understand. If you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel, how to guide for future videos like this. I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye and have a nice day.